our cute hotel.
Right.
Small
Right.
hotel.
Did you get the number, Mama, of that?
Yeah, I took a picture.
One, two, three,
Password.
four. Up to 9.
No,
Huh.
not up to 9.
Okay.
It's dark.
Can I have this
Yes.
card?
It's dark.
And then
Okay. Here we
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my tour, a tour in Kaoponik Hotel. First, let me put this. Okay. First, here we have the bathroom. It's very small. And the bathroom have a sink. And a toilet. And the shower.
shower.
And over here,
Here is for dress.
yeah, we can put dresses.
Yeah, we're not yet.
And also a mirror.
A mirror, obviously.
Of course. You look at yourself.
This is a small
And also
room.
we have here where we put our jacket.
jacket.
Me and Mama's here now. Tata, I don't know. And here, we have the couch, the living room. Small living room.
Small living room.
And we like
What is
someone
that?
else's couch.
hey.
Hey, Tata.
That's
And
the
this
bed.
is the small
And this is the bed.
bed.
And
And
this is like a working table.
this is Tata.
And
Wow.
And this
Wow,
is
nice.
You're
a
always
working table for Tata.
And also cooking a little boiler.
For
Very
hot.
good.
If you want coffee or hot
Nice
chocolate.
room, huh?
Yes.
And also bed.
Yeah, small bed.
Yeah.
This
Nice.
bed for Maria
No,
and this.
for Tata. For me and Mom.
Oh my.
Sorry, Tata. This is our bed. Like,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, Tata. It's here.
Tata, you can put your there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there we have it. Let me
There
close
we-
the door. We have
There,
it empty.
there we have it.
Nice room. Nice.
So you can take.
And look at TV.
There's TV.
Uy,
Tata will open the TV. Check what is inside.
And an empty closet.
Empty
Wait,
closet.
what's
What is in there?
Oh, cabinet. No refrigerator.
yeah, come on. First time that you are in.
What?
Oh, yeah.
And here, what's this?
Ooh.
Light.
Tata, what is this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lights.
Mhm.
How do we turn it on? Oh,
Mm-hmm.
we have
So?
lights there. Watching this is our hotel.
Remove that. Ugly.
Okay, let's go down now to check.
Tata? Tata, you forgot to lock the door. Oh. Okay, now it's time to the internet. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.